Welcome to hybrids.co.nz. In this video, we show you Toyota Crown speedometer, also known as combination meter or instrument cluster, before and after we converted it from Japanese to English. All menus and warning messages in its instrument cluster were in Japanese, and there were no user-accessible way to change them to English. We checked the Japanese owner's manual. Many warning messages the cluster would display in the event of breakdown are not even mentioned in the manual. After conversion, instrument cluster displays all statistics, notifications, and warnings in English. For example, there could be notifications related to low oil level or low oil pressure, low key battery or key bin left inside the car, dirty radar or radar access beam adjustment, lane keep assist camera, power steering system, air suspension system, cruise control, moonroof or doors open, etc. Apart from normal driving conditions, any notifications and warning messages will now pop up in English. Thank you for watching.